Good day everyone, I am Larissa Lassie from BSE1. My PE number is 2. So let's demonstrate to each component of physical fitness.
A health-related fitness components, we have body composition, the percentage of fat, bone, water, and muscle in the body. Example include high muscle density and athletes, typically fat percentage for health and changing composition via fat loss and muscle gain. Flexibility is the ability of your joint to move freely through, therefore range of motion of the capability of your muscle to stretch, adapt to movement without restriction. Muscular strength, the maximum amount of the force of muscle or muscle group can exert against resistance in a single short duration effort. Muscular endurance is the ability of a muscle or group of muscle to repeatedly exert force against resistance over an extended period. Cardiorespiratory endurance, the ability of the heart and lungs to deliver oxygen to working muscle during continuous physical activity. B. Skill-related fitness components. Agility, the ability to move, think, or react quickly, easily, and gracefully. Speed, the ability to move the whole body or body parts from one point to another as quickly as possible. Balance, the ability to maintain the body's center of gravity over its base of support while staying still or moving. Power is the ability to exert maximum muscular force in the shortest amount of time. Coordination is the ability to move multiple body parts smoothly and accurately using sensory input, vision, hearing to control muscle action. Reaction time, the speed of which individuals respond to an external stimulus such as visual, auditory, or tactile cue before initiating movement.